Okay, I don't see them, but it's pouring out rain, and there they go out swimming. Go for it, Sarah! Oh, that was lighting. Oh, there's your camera. Okay. I freaked out there for a minute. Hey, you guys, come where we can see you.
Oh, it's going to get the screen.
Yeah.
You have to go out if you want a real video. Sarah.
I'm not going out. Hey, Sarah, tell them to come here where we can see them. Can't see them behind the boat. You didn't last long. All right, let's see if we can get over here where we can see them.
They're still out there.
There they are.
Hey, how do you zoom? Where's your zoom? Is it this?
Nope. It's this.
Oh, right there.
Yep. I can't see. They're not cooperating on being in a good spot. Hey, Derek!
All I'm gonna get
Sarah, tell them to come where we can see you better. Because I'm not going out there.
What's the point now? You want to go out, Jackson? You want to go out? No, you'll be all wet.
Now, I don't know if this is working much because I can't see them.
I know. All I can see is their arms above the boat. Going out?
Alright.
Look at the picture instead of the screen. I'll tell you. It's not going to work, and I'm not.
Alright.
Are you crazy enough to go out and just snap one pic?
Well, I don't know if it's going to work with the camera. It would just get all wet.
There goes the dog. There.
Did it work better?
Yeah.
Alright, you brave souls. I see that. The chair blew in there, huh? There they come. Get a towel.
Here, Kyle, there. Kyle, there. We're going to get it.
Okay, get the chair. Okay, there's Derek getting the chair out of the water.
We got your chair.
Chair blew in the water. We don't know whose it is.
Somebody tomorrow will come get it.
Yeah. All right, how was it? Paco, how was it?
Fine!
Was that wild?
Yes!
Was that wild swimming in the rain?
No!
Was that wild?
It was crazy just trying to get the chair.
It's cold.
Can we
So cool.
Good
can we just see Despicable Me?